Hello and welcome to Jordan Farrington Commercials. I'd offer for you today, we've got this cracking looking 2023 4-wheel drive Isuzu double cab pickup truck. It's covered just under 30,000 miles. It's got the full service history, it's one owner. It's looking stunning in superb metallic silver. Actually, it's got the tow bar with the electrics. We've got the mountain top roll cover. As you can see, load liner's all nice and fresh. Doesn't look like it's been battered. Into the rear, we've got three lovely looking grey cloth seats. The outer seats, as you can see, have got ISOFIX preparation. They're all in good order. Also got electric windows in the rear. Step into the front. We've got 4 electric windows, electric mirrors. Get in, start her up. Fires up first time, no problem. There you go, no warning lights on the dash. Covered just under 30,000 miles, as we said. Got multifunction steering wheel. We've got cruise control as well. Focusing on that. Got your DAB radio with your Bluetooth there. Air conditioning, which is cold and working. Your 6-speed manual gearbox. All in all, a cracking looking pickup truck that is on site and ready to be bought today. Any questions, don't hesitate to get in touch and give us a call. Thank you.